Hello, welcome to another Kotlin language tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about what is the purpose of functions in Kotlin. Functions are a set of statements that do a specific task in a program. By using functions, we can simplify the program. We can make the program easy to debug, easy to read. Also, we can reuse the code segments. In Kotlin, functions are generally classified into two: inbuilt or library functions and user-defined functions. So first here I will show you what you mean by inbuilt or library function. So for that, here I create some variable, initialize that variable with some value. Now I'm going to print the square root of this number. Here I call another function sqrt and pass the number. We can check the program output. So here we simply find the square root of this number. A library function is nothing but which is already defined in the program. In this program, println is a library function. It is already defined in the program, so here it is a simple function call. Here we call another function called sqrt. That is also a library function. Main is a function. Okay. So a library or inbuilt function is nothing but which is already defined in the programming language. The programmer can simply call that function. So now I will show you how to create a user-defined function in Kotlin. For define a user-defined function, you have to use the keyword function. Now you have to specify the function name. Here I name it as my symbol function. You have to specify this bracket. You can specify the function parameters in this bracket. For this function, there is no parameters. In this function, I am going to make a simple statement. Hello from my symbol function. So now I'm going to call the function from the main function. Main function is the entry point of the program, so we can call any other function from it. So first here I print some message from main before function call. After this statement, I am going to make the function call. We can call a function by using the function name, and you have to specify the brackets also. So here there is no parameters for the function, so we can make it, we can simply leave it as blank. Okay. So now after the function call, I print another message from main after function call. Okay. So now we can check the program output. So this is the statement that is specified in main function. After that, we make the function call. So the program execution diverted to the function, then execute the statement inside the function. So here there is only one statement that is executed here, that is printed here. After the execution of the function statement, again the control flow back to the statement after the function call. Here it is. So this is the last statement inside main function. Okay. So this is how we use a user-defined function in Kotlin. Okay, one more thing here. For this function, we have the keyword function. We have the function name. We have the function bracket, and here there is no parameter. So here for this function, the return type is void. So in Kotlin, if the return type of the function is void, we can specify that one as a unit. So if the return type is void or unit, it is not necessary to specify the function return type. We can specify the function return type like this. You have to use this symbol, and here it is unit. So I specify it as a unit. But if it is unit, there is no need to specify that one. We can check the program output again. Okay. So this is how we use user-defined functions in Kotlin.